Hi, I'm Nacho, and I am going to talk to you about Meeting Doctors. At Meeting Doctors, we aim to ease the way patients interact with doctors by providing both technology and medical service via chat and video call. Our service allows companies to provide a medical consultation solution for their own users, employees, or clients. We are a B2B solution, and our technology can easily be integrated within the digital environment of the company. With our own native technology, we're capable of developing a new app specifically for a company or integrating our solution on an existing app. We can also provide our solution on web platforms. Meeting Doctors is present in more than 50 apps, and we are giving a medical solution to more than 3 million users. Currently, we have more than 100,000 consultations per month, and the average response time is around 1.26 minutes. At Meeting Doctors, we are a family of 25, but we are collaborating with more than 200 doctors. We are currently working with great insurance companies such as Zurich, Mapfre, Nationale-Nederlanden, Assisa, and many more. But we are also entering in many industries, such as the pharmaceutical industry, with Bayer or Isdin. And we are also collaborating with the public and private health system. Finally, we're entering in the banking industry, where a solution is perceived as a complementary service layer to their core business. We're currently working in more than 10 countries and very close to establish our own offices both in Latin and EMEA. We create a truly personal experience by leveraging on our human team of doctors. In our apps, the patient will receive immediate response from the doctor, and the doctors can proactively ask the patient about a certain pathology, therefore creating a real bond between both of them. The 82% of users that download our apps keep them installed after 1.5 years, which shows a great retention and excellent service levels. Actually, our net promoting score is above 70%. But please, do not just listen to me and see it by yourself. Once the user has been identified and is given access to the service, it will see the list of doctors and 10 medical specialties available. Green light means the doctor is currently available, while red light indicates that the doctor is out of schedule. Once we enter into a conversation with a doctor, we will see previous chats and conversations as well as any documents shared between them. We will always give full information regarding a doctor's professional background and certifications. When having a conversation, the patient can add a picture or document that could be relevant for a certain issue. These documents are stored in order to analyze the evolution of certain issues. As you can see, this is our demo app, and it contains our own company's design, logos, and look and feel, since it's only for demonstration's purpose. We usually develop each app following the company's guidelines in order to make the user feel within the company's digital environment. In addition to the chat, the user can ask for a video call at any time, and the algorithm will find an available doctor to answer within 2 minutes. The app allows to add any relevant medical history, such as allergies, medications, or illnesses, that will always be considered when orienting a patient. Also, companies can add any URL or relevant information within the menus option in order to promote any service or product they may want to. For example, here we have added our own website. Finally, a tutorial is available to understand and clarify the scope and service level of the solution provided. We hope you have enjoyed this amazing journey with us.